trendsetters, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nabi, aka Deanna Nicole. And today, y'all, as y'all can see, I took my braids down and I am going to dye my hair a whole completely different color. And I am dyeing it, what is this? Ginger blonde. I don't know if I can see this. Ginger blonde by the Cream of Nature. Now, is it gonna come out this color? I don't know, y'all, but I am praying to God that it come out beautiful. Cause I just wanted to do this because I feel like I'm turning over to a new chapter, to a new level in life, and I just decided why not change my hair, going with my story to the next level. So I've had my hair been natural. I've been natural since 2013. And so I just decided that, you know, I never really dyed my hair. I did dye it like a long time ago. I think that was back 2013, 14. I did this box color. It was a real pretty brown, but I don't know. I just wanted to do something different just to see, just to feel like look a new me for real. And I feel like why not go ahead and just do it up and dye it ginger blonde for the new me, you know? So y'all just stay tuned for the rest of this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so y'all can see the end results. I'm gonna show y'all everything I use, the products I'm gonna use, and yeah, hopefully y'all it comes out exactly how I want it to turn out. So, okay, y'all, so this is how my hair came out. Right now I got it up in a little ponytail. I'm taking this hot comb and I'm trying to go get it as straight as possible. I put some gel on it, y'all, because I was trying to do it without gel, but I was like, I needed gel because I'm all natural. So if it wave up a little bit or whatever, I'm going, after I finish doing this, I definitely am going to tie it back around, tie my scarf back around so it can lay how I need it to lay. I did oil it up because I don't want my hair dry. And the 30, like with the ginger copper, how it turned, I didn't think, y'all, I promise y'all, I didn't think it was going to turn this bright. But get this light, because when I see other people do it, it be like, it'll be, their hair is dark, but then it'll turn out, you know, semi-brownish, but this color is cute. I'm feeling this color. I think it looks good on my skin tone. You know how your edges, like when you dye everything, your edges be light. It looks like you ain't got no edges, but I think I got edges. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. So, I'm going to braid this down. I think I want a side ponytail or whatever. So, I'm going to try to do the best I can with this. Kind of swoop it over just a little bit. Split it in half. Let me see, because see, it's kind of thick. So I'm gonna try to boom, boom, boom. And then braid it and start braiding it into like 3 sections. So get it like this. Let's see. Get that side over here. Get this side over here. And we're gonna go. We're gonna go with it. So yeah, y'all. Get my little ponytails together, get my hair together. Gonna feed that over here, put that over here, put that over here. And we just gonna start braiding. Yeah, so this is my first time doing this, but I know how to braid, so I should be fine. Okay. So now we just gonna take it. And I'm gonna start braiding it, going backward. Definitely doing like a side ponytail. And I'm definitely gonna dip the end in the hot water so it could look right. But I am going to wrap it with the braiding hair that I had left. And yeah, you know, so it could look cute or whatever. I'm just going around my head looking, making sure everything is kind of like up together and it looks nice and neat. So yeah, I'm feeling it. It's gonna be, like I said, it's gonna be a little cute little side joint or whatever. Yeah, this is cute on this side. On this side, yeah, so I'm feeling it, y'all. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this piece, and like I said, I don't want it too tight, but I kind of want it, it's a little thick, so it's cool, whatever. Take this and start wrapping it around the ponytail. So I'm gonna start it off like halfway and just kind of bring it, wrap it. Put this under first so we can kind of have some type of leverage to wrap. Keep it tucked, keep it nice and neat. So I'm probably gonna, you know, I'm gonna slick it down, put a little bit of my gel, let it sit, whatever, while I hop in the shower. And yeah, go like that. So you take it and just kind of smooth it on out. So I got it tied up right now. I'm super excited. I gotta finish putting my eyeliner on, and I made it a little longer because I kind of wanted to go for a slightly dramatic ponytail for this photo shoot. And I'm super excited. I hope it lay down. I pray to God it lays down exactly how I need to lay it. I try to bring a little baby hair out because it's like when you do that light color, you can barely see your edges. So I'm praying it works out, it looks good. And yeah, y'all just stay to the end so you can see the final results and you can see the pictures that I take for this photo shoot for today.